Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we are learning the lesson the northern mountains children. So in that we saw three ranges. One is the Himadri, Himachal and all. The third one is your Shivalik hills children. So it is pronounced as Shivalik hills. So it is the other name is outer Himalayas or the lower Himalayas. So Himadri is the highest, the next one is Himachal and the next one is Shivalik children. So this is the outer Himalayas or the lower Himalayas. Mainly it is made up of hills children. That means they are of not that much height. How Himadri and Himachal are. Himadri is above 5000 meters and Himachal also little less than 5000 meters. So this one forms the hills children over there. Okay, this Shivalik hills. That's why the name itself it is Shivalik hills. Okay. Then as it is in the lower range, okay, they receive very heavy rainfall children. They receive very heavy rainfall. As they receive good rainfall, the slopes are covered with thick forest children. So in your textbook also it is given over there that this region is covered with thick forest children. Okay, in your textbook also it is given over here thick forest children. Okay, as it receives heavy rainfall. So what happens? So many variety of wild animals you can see over there children, like hyenas, jackals, elephants and tigers children. So the forest gives space for the variety of wild animals like hyenas, jackals, wild geese and tigers and elephants children. Then one more is important children, that is Terai region at the foothills. Okay, Terai region. So those places the cultivation they can do children. That means they can grow crops over there. So in the foothills of Shivalik, you can find the Terai region children. Okay. The next one is we saw the three ranges. So how these three ranges are important for us. So how it protects India, how it helps India, how it is important, that one we are going to see children. So as these three ranges are present, it acts as a natural boundary children. So from the neighboring countries. So what are our neighboring countries? It's like China, Nepal, Bhutan and all. These ranges provide a natural boundary so that the enemies cannot easily enter into our region children. Okay. So that is your first point. The second point is that once again I want to show you in the map children. See here, it acts as a natural boundary. So as the Himalayas are here, okay, so what happens this side? China is there, Nepal is there, Bhutan is there. So the enemies or the people cannot enter into our Indian region children. So it acts as a natural boundary. The next one is they check the monsoon winds. Now we have the monsoon season children. That's why we are getting so much rain nowadays. So what happens? This monsoon clouds are there now children. They from the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, they move up to these mountain ranges children. It reaches up to Ladakh. Ladakh is the highest altitude children. So what happens? These mountains, okay, acts as a barrier. What they will do now, the clouds only will be having rain in it children. The clouds are bearing the rain. So when they go and hit the mountains, no, these regions get the rain children. So entire this northern plain is there, no, these places they get more rain children. Okay. So they check the monsoon winds and bring rain to these northern plains children. These part they bring the rain. The next one is protect from icy cold winds from Central Asia. Icy cold winds. See, you know, Arctic Circle children. In the Arctic you have fully it is covered with snow. So what happens from that place? The cold wind blows, children. So Central Asia means this China, Russia is there. No, these part and all covered up with we tell it as Central Asia. So cold winds come like this, children. So what these Himalayas do, no, they act as a protective barrier. Okay, so that the ice cold winds will not enter into the Indian side, children. Okay, so protect from icy cold winds from Central Asia. Okay, as they get more rains, no, children, so many rivers originate from that. Okay, already I have told you the like big rivers start from that, children. Okay. Then next one, many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Son. So many rivers originate from this thing, river, children. And one more is Sutlej also. Sutlej also originate from the Himalayas. And then as the rain is also there, you will definitely have a thick forest, So the forest provide the wood, children. They provide the wood for making as a firewood also, or some other purposes like paper industry. Okay, timber, children. Timber is making furnitures. You have desk, table, cupboards like that, using wood. Okay, so this is known as timber. And then from the mountains you get the medicinal herbs, children. So valuable medicinal herbs. So what you tell, pudina, tulsi, like that, medicinal herbs. Like that, still more varieties of medicinal herbs you can get it from the mountains, children. So the Himalayas are, we pray them as God only, children, because it gives us so many things to us. The people live depending on the Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, children. So the Himalayas are giving many things useful to our life, children. Okay, these ranges are over, children. The next range we are going to see is the Karakoram range. Okay, here you have the Karakoram range, children. So it lies in Ladakh. Okay, I will show you it in the map, children. Ladakh, children, Jammu and Kashmir, this place is Ladakh. Okay, so here you have the Karakoram range. So that's why they have told it lies in Ladakh, and then it lies towards northwest of Himalayas. See, this stretches your Himalayas, children. Okay, so to this northwest is this place. So it lies towards northwest of Himalayas. So in these mountain ranges, K2 or Mount Godwin Aston. Okay. K2 or Mount Godwin Aston is the highest peak, children. Okay. Once again I read, K2 or Mount, MT, mountain. Okay. Mount Godwin Aston. Okay. This one you should know. It's a GK question. It's the highest peak, children. And then in India also it is the highest peak. Okay. So take your textbook and read, children. So we have covered the three ranges of the Himalayas and the Karakoram range, children. Okay. So take your textbook and read. And one more point I wanted to tell you, children, that is writing what you have to write in the textbook. See. So mainly in the notebook, children, you classwork. Okay. Write the choose, fill, true or false, and then you have the match the following and the question and answers. Answer the following questions. This much only you write, children. This interact zone, this and all you don't write. When I am sending the notes, the answers also will be there. So write only for this one, children. Okay. Please make a note. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.